Welcome to the management section of your settings. If you click on the top one, company info, this is where your company details are stored. All of this information was pulled here from when you initially signed up for your Rezgo account. So it's important to just double check it and make sure that it's correct because it does go out to customers on the bottom of their ticket vouchers and their notifications. So if you do need to make any adjustments, just click on edit in the top right hand corner, put in the right information and save changes. The one thing that cannot be adjusted after is the currency that you selected. So if you selected the wrong currency, you'll just have to create a new Rezgo account, and that can be done on our website. Now if I go back and click on Rezgo account, this is where your billing information is stored. So you can see here that my account is still in test mode, and that's because I haven't yet uploaded a company credit card. So to do that, you can click on Activate Rezgo account, put in your billing address and the card information, save changes, and it will take your account out of test mode. If you scroll down, this is where your monthly invoices will be stored. So you can always just give those a look. I currently don't have any, but when they do it, they'll appear there. Now, if I go back to settings and I click on website and widget, this is where I can turn on my website and get ready to connect it to my website. You can see if I try this now while I'm still in test mode, it will not allow me, and it'll ask me to put in that company credit card. So you can do that from here as well. And I'm not going to touch on how to build a widget today, but if you have any questions, it can be found here in your settings, website and widget, or you can use the chat button in the bottom left-hand side to talk to our support, or you can email us at support@rezgo.com.